Hey guys, so the market is down today. We're back to 7-8 level. What's happening? It's been more than a month and the market hasn't gone anywhere anymore. What should you do? If you're a trader, if you're an investor, what's the plan? Check this video out. Hey guys, so I'm back here in Dubai in a new development. This is a Ferris wheel similar to what you see in Singapore or in London. I think they're gonna make one of the biggest in the world will be here in Dubai. But before that, I'd like to give you an update on the markets. You know me, wherever I am in the world, my goal and my heart and the whole narrative of all of this is just to give you insights on how you can trade and win in the market. So over the past few hours, I've received a lot of messages asking me, Marvin, the market is down, it's not going anywhere anymore. You have to remember the context that from the start of the year up until the end of January, the market started to rush and move up. Even you have to remember that at a certain point last year, the market even hit 6,800 to where it is right now, to the high point of where it was. A lot of people got excited as well and wanted to put in more money, but since that movement from 6.8 to 8.1, the market really hasn't gone anywhere. And I've been very consistent also in the videos that I've made that we have a resistance at 8,100. So since we have a resistance at 8,100, failure to break out from that will just cause the markets to just consolidate, which has been happening. I've said it also in videos that earnings, better than expected earnings, should push the markets higher. However, it didn't work. That it didn't seem as a catalyst because even the larger ones from SM Prime to Ali reported good earnings, double-digit growth. I think much better than what everyone else in the street wanted, but it wasn't enough. You have to remember SM Prime has a large chunk of percentage in the PSEI and it hasn't broken past 40. Similar to Ali, it hasn't broken past 45. So with them having a hard time to push up, push higher, you really can't expect the index as a whole also to go up. So what does this do? And you have to remember also that the movement now is just because the index has moved up. Majority of the stocks also which are in the market have moved up but have started to consolidate, move up, consolidate. So that consolidation is prevalent even if in a lot of the stocks that are relatively big, from Security Bank as well, that has moved up and consolidate. So now your goal is this. There's a resistance at 8,100 as what I've mentioned. Then the next support levels are 7.8 and 7.5. So as per my last checking, there's a support range at 7,800. If that 7.8 range does not hold, there's a possibility that it will consolidate further, meaning there's a possibility that the index could slide lower to 7,500, which I believe there's a stronger support level. You have to remember that longer supports, and I've said this in our Stock Smart sessions, longer supports are much stronger and more reliable, meaning there's a bigger chance that a bounce will possibly happen. So longer supports, stronger chances of bounce. If you are a trader, a bounce from that could be a buy signal, then buy at 7.5, sell at 8.1, then just reference the stocks also that are following that fashion. But if the index bounces from 7.8, there's a possibility that it will go back to 8.1. So narrative, bounce from 7.8, it will go back to 8.1. Failure to break from 7.8, failure to hold 7.8, the market can go and slide to 7,500. But you can't really expect the market to go higher if we fail to break out from 8,100. So if you are also an investor, there are some stocks that may be cheap right now that haven't really gone up, and that's what you can start looking at. If you are a long-term investor, you can use this area where it's consolidating as an area for you to start to position. If you believe in the growth story of the Philippines and if you believe in the stock that you are holding that's starting to consolidate. But if you are a trader, wait for those breakout areas. If you're a trader, wait for those bounce from support areas. And if you're a position trader, there are a lot of stocks that the medium-term trend is still heading up. You have to remember, medium-term trends, inside those medium-term trends, there are consolidation patterns. So what you need to figure out is, am I willing to hold this stock as long as it's still in an uptrend, and then I'll just sell later on. So again, it will depend on how you segment your trading plan. What I'm giving you is a reading on the market. that if we don't break 8-1, we won't go anywhere, and we will consolidate from 7-8 to 8-1, or 7-8 does not hold, we will consolidate from 7-5 to 8-1. I'll update you if 7-5 later on will not hold, because that will cause a bigger problem, meaning we might not consolidate anymore and we might see a larger movement downward, but we're still not in that mood yet, and I'll keep you updated. You know me, the heart and the goal of this is just to help you be educated, because education is what will help you win. Education with the right strategies, what will help you thrive. And I really believe that the stock market should be for everyone who has a dream, who wants to strive, and who wants to reach your goals of financial freedom. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo from Blue Waters here in Dubai. I'll be here for the next few days, and I hope to see you in our events here and when I go to Manila for March 9 Stock Smart. So that's it for now. God bless you. I hope this video helps you. Trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Marvin Germo. See you all again soon, guys. Bye-bye.